it's your girl Lee Cooks and I'm back with another video. I hope you're okay and doing well. Today I'll be cooking for you jollof rice and stewed chicken. But before we head right into the video, please hit that subscribe button. It not only helps me, but it also helps me know that you want more content, and so this is for your viewing pleasure. Let me stop talking and get straight into the video. Black pepper, long grain rice, curry seasoning, sunflower oil, paprika, chicken stock cubes, thyme, chicken, and a bunch of other stuff that you'll see me put in just for the flavor. Not forgetting the scotch bonnets and the bell peppers. Here I'm chopping up the onions. I washed my onions as well. I have more onions that I'm chopping up, not only for the jollof rice but also for the stewed chicken. And I also have bell peppers that I'm chopping up and tomatoes that will be going inside the, I forgot what it's called. Oh my gosh, how can I forget what it's called? The blender, that's it. I'm literally so over the top with this blender because I want it on the crunch mode. Obviously I don't want it to be watery, and I want the bits to be, you know, there of the tomatoes. Sunflower oil, as I'm going to get ready to fry the sauce for the stew. The red sauce that you see in the middle is actually tomato chop pieces that I've added in. I'm just cutting up some scotch bonnets, but I end up adding in, like, you know, about, I can't remember, about 5 to 6 scotch bonnets because I just didn't feel like it was hot enough, like what I'm used to. So I go ahead and do that later on. I'm adding in the chicken cubes and the scotch bonnets, hot curry seasoning, and I'm just going to stir that all in together. Now moving on to the jollof rice, I've just washed my rice and putting it into the bowl and with some water. I'm just putting the stew into the rice. Looks lovely, doesn't it? And I'm mixing it. So I'm covering the pot and I'll just leave it there for about 45 minutes to an hour. Moving on to the chicken, I've added thyme inside the pot. And also I've put in some chicken seasoning inside the pot, some scotch bonnets and the sauce. I'm adding in some chicken cubes, extra paprika, parsley and chicken seasoning. I think all of the pots are gone, that's why I'm using foil, but I'm just wrapping up anyway. I want it to cook evenly and I will stir it in between. My first time cooking jollof rice, but I was a bit disappointed in the colour and I wanted it to be more orangey, deep kind of red. So I go in and I add a bell pepper, scotch bonnet, paprika just for the colour, tomato paste, The way I'm saying just for the colour, as though one Scotch bonnet isn't going to create extra flames in someone's mouth. The rice wasn't cooking as expected, so instead of adding water, I'd rather add extra sauce in like I've done, only just because I wanted to keep the flavour. I'll just mix everything in together. I'm actually evening the rice out now, putting the foil over it. And Bob's your uncles, the rice is done and it tastes good, honey. The stewed chicken is done as well, just how me like it. Best believe it tastes good, okay? Please make sure you subscribe, share, and hit the like button. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.